Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Entre Legend. Today we are in Colindale in the London Borough of Barnet in northwest London. So without further ado, let's take off. You know what, there's a nice little track here. Before we actually do a 360 photo, we're gonna go down here, we're gonna do this. Look at that. That is so sick. And what we'll do, just start going up. Look at that, that is insane. What a way to start a drone flight. Let's go up to the max height now, and we'll just do a 360 photo. In this area, and then we'll just zip around. So, go up to the max height, and what we'll do, we'll just do a 360 photo. Ooh, right, 360 photo is now complete. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna zip around this area. So, what should we explore first? Should we go to the town centre of Colindale? Let's do that. A lot of solar panels here. And we've got a building right over here. Let's just keep going down and just explore this area. The rooftop car park, I could have taken off from there, but I was thinking this big open park, you get a shot of everything, so that's why I just taken off from here. And actually, we're just passing Edgware Road, and past Edgware Road, I checked the borough borders, Borough of Brent, and the Borough of Barnet's halfway, so our drone's officially in Brent right now. So yeah, we've got this rooftop car park right here as the superstore. So yeah, we're between two London boroughs right now. I'm taking off from Barnet side. I mean, it's a big band of clouds, but the sun's still coming through that, so I guess there's no problem with us doing drone flight, because we're still getting nice footage. Let's explore the neighbourhood of Colindale. We'll go to the other side. Let's go to where the park is. We're at the park. Look at that, we're getting a nice shot of this little park here. What we'll do, we'll go to the other side. We built up area in this area. Let's get towards this built up area. There's a built up area in this area. Let's go down towards there. Let's just see what's happening here. It looks really gentrified. Look at that, Colindale. I don't know how this looked like 15 years ago, but probably we had none of this here. And I wonder what it will look like in the next 15 years. All my drone flights are basically a timeline of London, so we go towards the station. The station's in this area, so go towards there. don't know how it's a bit windy. It's only 10-mile-an-hour winds, but it just feels stronger than that. Let's go down towards this area down here. Looks very built up in this area. Look at that. Very gentrified. Check out the neighbourhood of Colindale. It's all flats in this area, so check out the flats. Look at that. Look how many flats are there. It's crazy. There's a tremendous amount of flats in this area. And what's down there? There's quite a lot of stuff there. There's another train line in that area. And what's down there? Look at that. Look at that, there's a little plane right there. Look at that, that's amazing, isn't it? It's like a still plane. What else can I explore in this area? Explore the neighbourhood in this area as well. It's like one of these days where it's not too hot, so I think it's like a perfect day to fly because it's not too windy. You get like a band of clouds and it's not too hot today. Other days it's like really hot. But here it's still sunny, it's sunny enough, and it's just the perfect weather, like low 22 degrees. It's much cooler. You get a little breeze as well, even if it's not that much for the drone. You still get a nice house. Look at the difference here between those houses and these houses. They look so much different. Look at the contrast. Look at that. Let's explore the neighbourhood of Colindale. We're near Edgware on the Northern Line. And the wind's getting a bit stronger. Let's explore more of the area down here. Look at that. Let's get a wide angle shot of Colindale. Look at that, look, we're getting a proper wide angle shot. Something about that just looks special. I don't really do this that often. I did this the first time, I tried it the first time when I was flying in Eltham in South East London. Look at that. That just looks amazing, innit? What a way to fly. See, I overdid it. Got a train coming as well, we'll see that in the shot in a second. There we go, you see the train. Look at that, we're doing a full circle of Colindale here in this London Borough. What's down here? Let's see what's down here. Looks like there's a lot of solar panels. I can't really tell from my screen because it's a small screen. I don't know what's down there, but looks like a built up area. Really interesting to get these kind of shots. I think we've been down here before, have we? We've been to that side, but we haven't actually been there. See, Colindale is kind of a built up area here in North London, Northwest. I mean, I guess the London Borough of Barnet is classed as a North London Borough, but we're in a Northwest postcode, so NW9 postcode, that's where we're flying in. So that's the station, as you can see right here, Colindale. Should we follow the train back? Let's follow the train back. When it comes, it's going southbound now, so when a northbound train comes, we'll do that. Okay, we can go southbound, innit? Look at that, looks amazing. We've got a train coming northbound, actually. I didn't check, because we've got another one coming northbound anyway. It must have been sitting at the station, because I can't see it with the station. Trying to get a shot of this area as well. Which we've already been to that area anyway. So what we'll do, we'll just come back now. We'll come back fast, so we'll quickly get a shot of the train. We'll just come back slower, so that we have time. The train might take time to depart. Let's see when the train departs. It's going to go northbound and we're going to follow it, going north. Should be moving in a second, right? Should we just go to that area and just follow it after? At least we get a head start, because the trains tend to move faster than my drone anyway, so. Plus we've got a southbound train. See, look, we've got a head start because the train's actually moving faster. If we go in sports mode, we can now catch up with it. Look at that. Same speed as the train, Northern Line. Look at that, sick, innit? It's going to go to the next station, which is Burnt Oak. I wonder how close Burnt Oak is. If it's close, then we'll probably go to the next station, which is sick if we do that. Oh look, we're at the next station. It's like we're not far from Burnt Oak, which is the next station. So I guess it's like a Burnt Oak. It's like the same area, ain't it? Maybe I can go to a different part of Burnt Oak and do a drone flight there as well. That's sick, innit? We followed the whole train journey, and then we've got the area down there, which I'll probably do in my next drone flight. Maybe I might go to Burnt Oak after, because that's a bit too far anyway. But we get a glimpse of Burnt Oak. It's like the glimpse of the next drone flight. I don't know where I'll go next. Either Burnt Oak or maybe somewhere else in North London or Northwest. I'll see where to go. I've covered pretty much everywhere in Northwest, literally. What else can we get a shot of? Let's get a shot of the east side, which we haven't been. I mean, the wind's blowing northbound, so coming in headwind, but the drone's still moving fast enough because the wind's actually not that strong. Where should we go now? Should we go east? Or should we go west? Look at that, we've got another shot of the train. I'll take it easy, we just go in normal mode because sports mode we use more battery. Look at this area down here. Alright, we'll just come back now towards our area. It's got a bus picking up the passengers. Let's get a shot of that in it. We'll follow it. Anyway, we'll just come back now because the beeping is going to start in a minute. Let's get a shot of this area down here as we descend into the park. Got to move the mic away. Look at that, nice little shot to end with. We'll just land it now. Go to this area down here. Let's land the drone. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in London Borough of Barnet in northwest London. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.